Alright guys, please pay attention. Alright, so in this video I quickly want to show you step-by-step process on how to register on the Node Security Lab. Alright, it's an alpha testnet project and I want you to follow me step by step as I go through the process, alright, with you. Alright, this I'm using a Mesos browser. You can also use any of the Web3 browser like the Mesos browser, the KIWI browser and the rest. Alright, so I'm using Mesos browser in this video now. Alright, so you just click on continue. You can see they said click to add extension, so let's add the extension to this browser. Alright, the reason why this browser is actually recommended is because of the extension feature that has been added to this very browser, so it helps you. Alright, so this is how you go about adding your extension. Alright, so for you to be able to add this extension, you first have to log in your Gmail. Alright, so you can go ahead and log in your Gmail into your Mesos browser if you are using it for the first time. Alright, so I've logged into the Gmail account. You can see it. Alright, so you can go ahead, click on add to Chrome. Alright, so I'm adding that to my Mesos browser already, so the extension. So after it has been added, it will automatically take me to the page. Alright, the Node Security Lab page. So just hold on a little bit. Alright, so it's taking us back to the page. Alright, you can see it now. Alright, it's telling you to log in, so you can choose any of your preferred method. So I preferred using the Gmail, so use your Gmail. So enter your Gmail. Alright, I've entered my Gmail. I chose a password. They said, do you accept the terms and conditions? I entered yes and I click enter. It's asking for the referral code, so I'll go ahead and paste in the referral code. Alright, so this is the referral code. Just click enter. You can see it now. So a confirmation code will be sent to you. You just click on send code. Alright, so you now go straight to your what is it called, your Gmail. Alright, so you go straight to your Gmail to get that code. Alright, so you go straight to your Gmail, then let me check for the code. Alright, so if you are not seeing it on your inbox, also check your what is it called, your spam box. Alright, so you see it on your spam box. So I'm entering it now. Alright, it's 321195. Click enter. Alright, I think a new one has been sent. Alright, that one has expired. 8432843423. Alright, enter. Alright, so registered, confirmed, and I've earned 200 points. Alright, so the next thing you do, you can see your daily check-in. So make sure you do your daily check-in every 24 hours, and remember you can farm as many accounts as you can. Alright, so make sure you are active on this project, especially those who missed on grass. So make sure you take this project very serious. Alright, so farm aggressively. You can see I've given you all the steps that are needed. All you need is a Mesos browser and you are good to go. Alright, so check the description of this video. My link is here. Join and make sure you are consistent in the project. Also, my WhatsApp and Telegram group is also attached to the description. Join and also get, so that you can also get subsequent information in regards to the project, in case there is any additional feature that has been added, so that you will not be confused. So I will always drop videos on my YouTube account, on my WhatsApp account, and also on my Telegram account.